everybody. Hi. So we have a Scratch character here. I think today he'd be a good help and he could stay now. So when the flag is clicked. So I recommend if you're a beginner, I recommend you either copy it, because I don't know if you'll learn that much, because I'm not going to have my videos in order because it's really hard work. So I'm going to do maybe I'm going to do a simple question. What is 2 times 2? So I'm going to stop him. So then after that we need to go here. So we have an if, then, and else. So what you do is go in operators and do the blank equals 50. So on sensing, there's answer right here. Answer is basically like a variable, which you are going to learn on another video at another time. So what if the answer was, so if answer is 4, then he will say correct. But if answer is not 4, which is on the else space, he will say wrong. Let's see what happens. What is 2 times 2? 4. Correct. So, as you see, that's how this code could work. So next step, I am going to show you how you could do this with 2 characters and make it look like they're talking to each other while doing the quiz. Thank you for watching. You have all been so supportive, all my 7 subscribers. Also, if you have any questions, you could go to Questions Anyone video. I could send you the link if you ask for it, but you'll probably find it quickly. Thank you so much for supporting me. Okay, so now that we have our, before I sign off, I'm gonna make a little backdrop just for fun. Maybe he should be in a room near. In a theater. And he could go here. Okay, so he's now in the middle of the stage, and he's asking you a question, and if you answer the right thing, then he'll say correct. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.